Hi everyone, this is Ernest of Quick Fix Auto Services. Today I'm going to show you how to repair any bad or faulty lithium battery for your cordless tool like this impact drill. Before carrying out any repairs, always consider safety first. Always wear safety glasses and gloves. Ensure correct polarity and avoid battery damaging the battery. Never charge or discharge lithium battery unattended without a working protection circuit. Do not charge battery that is physically damaged, bulging, or has been discharged below 1.5 volts per cell for extended period. Also note that elevated temperatures during charging can indicate problem. When you have your lithium battery failing to charge or power your tool, do not throw it away. First, take time to understand why the battery is failing. One reason could be the cell inside the battery compact are dead. Second could be the battery charger is faulty or power tool is faulty. Third could be circuit wiring open or shortened. To carry out proper diagnosis and repair your rechargeable battery, you'll need a multimeter and some jumper connectors. Make sure you have another spare battery fully charged and can operate the tool. First, if the rechargeable battery is completely dead, then it won't charge because the charger cannot detect, and you'll need another fully charged battery to jump start it. Arrange the connectors properly as shown and connect positive to positive and negative to negative, and leave it for about 10 seconds and remove the connectors. Test the battery voltage and check if there is any voltage improvement on the battery, as well as testing if the charger can detect it. If this fails, then either some of the cells inside the compact are dead and you'll have to open the compact and check. Now let's open this battery compact and check. Once opened, you can see one wire is hanging and could be the problem. Let's solder it and check. Once soldered, you can see the battery is okay and now can charge and operate the impact drill. There's no need to proceed further, but if after doing all this and the battery doesn't work, then you'll need to check every individual cell and note the voltages of each cell are matching. Any low voltage on any cell means the cell is bad and you'll need to replace the cell. If all this fails, then change the battery charging module or buy a new one. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed what is this video, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.